Hey guys, I decided to do something different this year and keep my Christmas tree up and decorate it for different holidays. And here's my tree. So why don't you show your girl some love and subscribe so you could keep up with my holiday tree decorations. I bought a few Valentine's Day items at Dollar Tree that I'm going to have to cut and glue together in order for them to be ready to go on my tree. This is one of the items that I purchased. I'm going to take this one sign and I'm going to cut it and glue some twine on the back and make it into two signs.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.
And here's another sign that I did the exact same thing to. I thought these glitter hearts were so adorable. They came in a pack of 5 and they were different sizes, so that's what I really liked about them. And I'm just going to take some bamboo skewers and I'm going to glue them on the back of these paper hearts.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile.
And for the smaller hearts, I cut some of the bamboo skewers in half. Oh, before I forget, you could click on this link at the top of this video to get a sneak preview of my Valentine's Day gift ideas. That video's not coming out till next week, but you can watch it now. For my next project, I'm going to take some construction paper and I'm going to use the colors white, red, and pink to make little Valentine's Day envelopes. So I'm just going to fold some paper in half and cut it. And then I just take another colorful paper and I'm going to find the center part of this white paper, kind of hold it down with my finger. I like to just eyeball stuff and mark it on the red paper where it is. And then I'm going to draw a straight line from the center part to the corner of the paper and basically make a triangle. And all I did from here was just cut the triangle out and use a glue stick to glue the triangle to the rectangle paper. And that's how I made my envelope. Now it did look a little bare, so I decided to take the pink sheet of paper and cut out a little heart. And please make sure that you cut along the folded side of the paper. And then I just glued my little heart in the center of my envelope. And it was almost done. Of course, I had to glue some twine on the back of the envelope so it could be an ornament on my tree. Now for my last project, I found this heart sign. I don't know what to call this, but it has 5 hearts on it. So I figured, hey, that's 5 ornaments for the price of 1. And I purchased 2 of these and I basically just cut all the hearts off, and you know what it is by now. I glued twine to the back of them, yes, and made them into ornaments. There you go. And now it's time for the fun part of this video. Time to decorate, yes. I started decorating with these basic red Christmas bulbs, and I'm just going to put them throughout the tree and just, lay down the foundation. And here's some more red Christmas ornaments that I already had on hand that I thought looked appropriate for the tree. And then I added all my new ornaments, scattered them around everywhere, made it look nice. Yo, this sign put up a fight with me for like a whole 5 minutes. But I won though. You know I did.
You tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
And that is it for my Valentine's Day tree. And thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and definitely subscribe to this video and ring the bell for future notifications. I put out a video every week. You guys don't want to miss it. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.